Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. If you are new here, I need you to hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning sub, what's up? Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video now. As y'all can see, I have freshly washed, blow dried hair, and today I'm going to do some new crochet. I took my old crochet out that I've had in for about a month, and I just want to do something a little bit different. So today we're going to do regular cornrows in the front, and I do have some 24-inch boho braid crochets that I'm going to put in the back. So it's going to be looking like the Fulani style, but with less time and less work. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid the front up now and let y'all see that, and then I'm gonna come back and put the crochets in, and easy peasy. Now this is a very versatile, I feel like, because you could still put it up in a half up, half down, all the way down, all up into a pony. It's just out of your face. Now if you do want to do like some ones on the side or in the front, you can, but that's gonna be pretty much the style. So let me go ahead, braid up the front, and I'll come back. All right, y'all, so here is the final product of my braids in the front. I ain't do nothing too fancy. So I'm kind of going around, and this is the back. I still got my back, y'all. I ain't shaved it. I'll probably shave it down once I get done with this, and I might not, because I'm gonna keep them down anyway. So we are using 24-inch boho crochet in the color 1B, and I'm just basically crocheting them through. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, so here is the final look. It's like midnight, y'all, so I'm about to go to bed, but I just wanted to show you guys what it actually, I need to put some oil on here, because ooh, this is edge control. It didn't look like this. Now it's leaving like a little white overcast. But this is what it looks like. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to go through and cut some of these pieces off, because it's a little too, I mean, I don't want it to look like a poodle right up in here, because right now it's like really full. It's like really full. Y'all see how full it is? But I mean, if it gets tangly, the good thing about this hair, if it gets tangly, I can always go through and cut these little extra pieces. Cut some of these extra pieces and take the bulk out. So if you don't like it this full, I used about 5 packs. About 5 packs, I think. All in the back just to cover. And yeah. yeah, like I said, y'all saw it in a ponytail, so it goes really good. In a pony, half up, half down. That still goes good. I could tie it. I'll probably do it. Probably be like the same if I tie it in the back. But you could still tie it. Tie those two pieces in the back like that. Let me see what it looks like, half up, half down. Now this is half up, half down. Can't really tell the difference. It kind of looks like it did when it's in a regular pony. But I definitely like the big bun. Let me show y'all the big bun again. Alright y'all, so this is what the bun looks like. I took a few curly pieces and just, you know, kind of took them out just for a little razzle dazzle. Now this does create a massive bun, but I like a good bun. It's a good sized bun. Now you can add as little or as much hair as you want. This is enough for me because I already feel like with this bun, it's a little wobbly, and I don't even know if I make it in a car with this bun. It probably won't work, but we're gonna see because I like this bun. This bun is super cute. Super cute. So yes, anyways, guys, I will link the hair down below in the description box to let you guys know what it is. Of course, I will keep you guys posted on if this hair mats easy. The maintenance I'm doing, probably gonna just be sleeping like this. I'm gonna be honest with you, probably just gonna be sleeping with a bun because it's 24 inches. Yeah. It might majority of the time be in a bun. I ain't even gonna hold you because I love a good bun. I just love a good bun. So anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, I will put the details of this hair in the description box below. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what other styles y'all want me to do. And that's all I got. So I will catch you guys in the next Candy's hair diary video. I'm going to bed.